Okay, we're working on Greek Decoder. Welcome to recording fifth period. Okay, Greek Decoder. What we're doing is to decode the the message at the bottom of the page, figure out the length of the missing side of the right triangle. So it can be any missing side. So the first one, S, A is 7, B is an unknown, and C is 12. C is 12. So if we actually had the triangle, it would look maybe like this, with a right angle like this. So we know the right angle is pointing at C, which they told us was 12. A can be either of the legs, so let's say this is A, and B is missing. So A squared, which is 7 squared, plus B squared equals C squared, or 12 squared. So what's 7 squared?
49.
49 plus B squared equals 12 squared?
144.
144. What do I do to isolate the variable expression B squared?
Minus 49 on both sides.
Subtract 49 on both sides. So what does B squared equal to?
9.74.
How about 95?
Yes.
So then take the square root of B squared and the square root of 95. So B is equal to the square root of 95. Again, if you're having to figure it out, we know that the square root of 81 is 9. The square root of 100 is 10, and 95 falls between those two squares, but closer to 10. Okay? So let's look over on our answer key. They give us the square root of 95 over here, and it says it's approximately 9.74. The equal sign with the dot above it, that means approximately. So we have some that are missing B's, some that are missing C's, some that are missing A's. Let's do one like R, where A is root 87, B is root 57, and C is our unknown. Okay? So let's draw a right triangle. And we don't know C, but we know A is root 87, B is root 57. So root 87 squared plus root 57 squared equals C squared. So what's root 87 squared?
87.
87, and that's because why?
Because the second power cancels out the square root.
Because the second power and the square root are inverse operations, and they essentially cancel each other out. Plus
57.
57, for the same reason, equals C squared. 87 plus 57 is what?
144.
Oh, 144 equals C squared. Take the square root of each of those to clear the C squared. We get 12 equals C. So that's our missing side. Questions?